And I would say another thing that is, some people might think simplifying it dumbs things down, which it doesn't at all.
Mm-mm.
Simplifying, what it did to us also is it forced us to hone in on priorities, like a few priorities, right? We used to be really good at trying to do everything. And we would just try because I'm an idea person, right? I'm an entrepreneur. I
Sure.
want to take over the world. And what would happen is we would create our priorities and then we would just continue to layer additional wish list things on there. And what would happen at the end of the year is we wouldn't get it all done. Then people could pick and choose the ones that they wanted to get done. The discipline that we've built in is here's the 3 or 4 or 5 things that we are going to focus on, our rocks. And we review them quarterly. And I think the quarterly review is brilliant. We used to do it annually. And I think annually is a big mistake because, like everybody, you put all this annual stuff in there and there's a lot of fluff at the end, maybe. And then everybody races to November and December to get those things
Yep.
done, or at least make it look like they're done. Doing them quarterly allows us to really give it a good, like, are these the right, so it gives you every quarter. Maybe something happens next quarter where we want to identify potentially something that should replace a priority.